So hello and welcome to new video. In this video I will show you how to turn off the Talkback function or voice assistant function on a Samsung Galaxy phone. And what this Talkback does basically is that it will change the behavior of controlling your device. This function is primarily for people with vision disability. So what it does is that if you want to open some app, it won't open basically on the single tapping on the icon. If you single tap on the icon, it will create this blue square, and next, if you want to open the app, you just have to basically double tap on it, and it will take action. Basically, it will do the command on the double tap. So it will restrict a lot basically how you can operate your phone. If you want to disable this function, you first need to go to settings, and if you, like me, don't have the settings icon on your home screen, you will need to use two fingers to pull down the command center, and then you will tap on settings, double tap to open it, and then again use two fingers to roll the list, and then you will select accessibility. Again, double tap to open it, and right here it will say using one function. Again, we will tap one time to select, double tap to open it, and there is voice assistant or talkback function on, and again we will double tap to turn it off, and that's it. And then again you can use one finger to basically select things, open your icons. You don't have to use two fingers anymore. So I hope the video helped you. I hope you liked it. If you do, then please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.